Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on January 13th, 2026, just yesterday. It introduces a new framework called MoCha that achieves controllable video character replacement using only a single mask from one arbitrary frame, effectively bypassing the need for dense structural guidance like skeletons or depth maps. The paper is titled End-to-End Video Character Replacement Without Structural Guidance, and as we'll see later, the model shows some really impressive capabilities when handling complex scenarios like occlusions and character interactions. So, Figure 1 illustrates this versatility with a gallery of generated examples. The top two rows show replacements for both virtual and real human subjects, swapping identities while keeping the original motion intact. Then, the third row highlights lighting preservation. Notice how the model correctly renders environmental light on the new character, even in dark scenes. Finally, the bottom row tackles complex interactions, handling difficult occlusions, like holding a sign or dancing in a crowd, without explicit depth maps. Well, Figure 2 contrasts the standard approach with the new method proposed here. In the top panel, typical reconstruction-based methods rely on complex pre-processing. They require dense per-frame video segmentation and extra structural controls, like motion skeletons and depth maps, to guide the model. By comparison, the bottom panel outlines MoCha's non-reconstruction paradigm. This simplifies the pipeline dramatically, because it only requires a single frame mask alongside the source video and reference image. Figure 3 details the framework's two-stage training pipeline. The left side, panel A, illustrates the in-context learning stage, where the model processes the source video, mask, and reference images together. A key component here is the condition-aware rotary positional embedding, or ROPE, visualized in the central diagram. This mechanism synchronizes the source and target video tokens by assigning them shared temporal indices while keeping the static reference tokens distinct. Moving to the right, panel B outlines the post-training stage. To refine facial details, the system applies reinforcement learning with low-rank adaptation, or LoRA. It optimizes two specific objectives: a pixel-wise reward for general reconstruction accuracy and an identity reward to strictly enforce resemblance to the reference character. Since obtaining real-world paired videos with identical motions but different characters is incredibly difficult, Figure 4 introduces the author's three-part data construction pipeline to solve this scarcity. The large section on the left shows the first method, which uses Unreal Engine 5 to procedurally generate high-fidelity rendered data. By combining various scenes, camera trajectories, and character assets, they create perfectly aligned source and target video pairs. Then, looking at the top right, they produce expression-driven data by applying portrait animation techniques to static images, ensuring the model learns realistic facial dynamics. Finally, the bottom right panel illustrates an augmented dataset created from existing video masks, which helps the model generalize to real-world occlusions. Alright, following that data setup, Table 1 validates the model's performance on the synthesized benchmark. It presents a head-to-head comparison against state-of-the-art methods like VACE, Hunyuan Custom, and Wan Animate. The columns evaluate the results using structural similarity, perceptual similarity, and reconstruction quality. Focusing on the bottom row, MoCha achieves the best scores across all categories. Notably, its reconstruction quality reaches roughly 23.1, significantly surpassing the runner-up, Wan Animate, which sits at 19.2. So, while Table 1 proved the performance numerically, Figure 8 visualizes the underlying mechanism by plotting the model's attention scores. On the far left, the column labeled mask shows the single static input provided for just one frame. The vibrant heat maps in the output rows then reveal where the model focuses. Crucially, the red high attention areas shift to follow the character's movement in the source video, which demonstrates that the system successfully performs implicit tracking. Wrapping up, two takeaways stand out. MoCha successfully replaces dense, frame-by-frame structural guidance with a flexible, single-mask workflow. By combining this simplified input with a robust synthetic data pipeline, the method offers a more scalable path for high-fidelity video editing. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.